Hi, I'm Joe, lead engineer at Shawcity, and today I'm going to teach you how to maintain your PID sensor by cleaning the lamp on your Tiger XT. Unscrew the cover with a flathead screwdriver and gently remove the PID sensor by pulling it from the instrument. Using the PID removal tool supplied, pinch together either side of the electrode stack and make sure that you cover it with your hand. Gently twist the lamp away from the O-ring on the stack, making sure that you don't touch the lamp window. Dip a clean cotton bud into the aluminium oxide and apply an even pressure in a circular motion. Clean the lamp window until it squeaks. Once the lamp is clean, fit the lamp back into the stack using a twisting motion. This will ensure that the lamp is secure. Push the stack back into the sensor until you hear a click. Push the PID sensor back into the instrument. Ensure that the gasket and sensor seal are firmly in place whilst refitting the sensor cover. Once this is all done, screw back on firmly. Since the PID sensor has been removed, you will have to recalibrate your Tiger again.